Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular military truck over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just go over here and first I'll complete this wiper section over here. I'll just slightly push this a bit inside over here. So we need to push this a bit inside. So I can just place it in such a way. So I'll just rotate it a bit in this way. So let's just drag it over here, rotate it in this way, push it over here in this way. So convert to editable poly. I'll select the vertices over here, slightly just shuffle this down. So select this edges over here and we can just give a bit of chamfer if required, a bit we can do that. Similarly, I'll just exclude this and I'll just assign a chamfer over here in this way. So once this is done, we can just select this over here and we can make a duplicate of it over here as required. Now we'll move further. Now what we have over here is like, let's take some other reference over here. So I do have some other references as well. So I'll just open up some other reference. So we do have this reference. We can just check out this reference. Other reference we do have is this reference. We can just check out this reference as well over here. So any of it we can make over here. So the most common thing over here is we need to create the base over here. So let's go to the side view over here. So once you have created this, also let's open another reference, open our reference. So we can slightly just shuffle it a bit inside, shuffle it a bit inside. Let's take this reference. So let's take a line and go over here. So from where till where this is supported, we need to see that. So from here we'll move a bit back over here and let's just drag it down in this way. So I'll just place it over here, go into rendering, enable in viewport and make it as rectangular. So slightly I can just increase its, convert to poly. So let's select this polygons. I'll just drag it over here and I'll drag this till here. So once you have done it, if you want, you can slightly just push it a bit down if required in this way. So we have will be having a lot of space later then. Now after that, let's check out some more references. If you have, we can go with some more references. Now again, I'll take a line over here. So let's just create a line in this way till here. So select this, reduce its length and width over here a bit. I'll drag it till here, convert to poly, select the vertices, push it over here, again select this polygons, shuffle it inside. Now take a line, drag it in this way, off enable in viewport, drag it in this way, and let's click OK. Select the vertices, reduce its thickness, reduce its length and width. So I can shuffle it a bit over here, reduce its width. You can slightly increase it if needed, drag it over here, select the vertices, place it a bit out, and let's copy this. So how many copies you need, you can just take that many copies over here. So just take multiple copies over here. So once this is done, again let's see this. There are multiple things we'll be going through. We'll just model this because we have this as a best reference over here for now. So if you need, we can take some more references later on as well. So we'll first start creating this wheels over here. So let's go to this view over here and let's take a cylinder. So I can just take a cylinder over here. So we need to create this cylinder in this way. So we do have this grips involved in this. We can just create those grips separate and we can put it on the top. That can also be done. I'll just go into this and I'll just increase its sides over here and increase its height very first of all. So make sure you are creating the wheels correctly. We are also going to duplicate this, so make sure it is proper. Now still you can give some more height and reduce the height segments. You can just make it as 1 if needed for now. Convert to poly, select this polygons and this polygons, and let's give a bit of inset over here. We can create a inset till here. Let's click OK. Let's give one more inset, not full inset but a bit over here, and let's give a bit of bevel to it. So I can just assign a bit of bevel. click again a bit of inset in this way, and let's give more inset in this way. So once this is done, we can just select this now, and let's extrude it. Oops. Click OK. Select this. Let's extrude it a bit out over here. Again give bevel over here, so I can just assign a bit of bevel to it. Let's click OK. Again give a bit of inset slightly and click OK over here in this way. So we have assigned multiple things over here. Now let's go over here. Let's go into this poly modeling over here. And let's take a swift loop. So let's select this slightly. We can push this a bit out over here. Again use one more swift loop, so we can just adjust it in this way accordingly. So let's go over here. Let's again take a cylinder and activate the auto grid over here, and I'll go into this. So slightly increase the height in positive axis over here, drag it inside, convert to poly, select this polygons, slightly give a bit of inset over here, and let's slightly extrude it and click OK. Now once this is done, slightly I can scale it and go into hierarchy, effect pivot only. I'll just put this at the center, and let's go into this. Let's give a 10 degree, activate it. Okay, 10 is very less. I'll go into this, make it a 20 degree. Okay, this is better. So I'll click OK and click OK. So as you can see, this bolts are created. I'll just save the file once. Again I'll select this and go into this. Let's put one more swift loop over here, and if you need, you can put one close over here. Later on we'll definitely smoothen that stuff. Select this, copy it, effect pivot only, center to object, and let's resize it. So let's make it a bit bigger, and again I'll do the same over here, and again I'll rotate it. So now I'll go into this and make it as 30 over here, and make this multiple copies over here in this way. So once this is done, so let's just and isolate this. I'll just put it over here. So let's, if you want, you can give a bit of chamfer as well if needed. So we'll give the details over here. So I'll just select this whole thing for now. So we are going to create this grips separately and we'll assign it on top of it. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.